Mulching and weeding. So there's some simple practices, but some of the most rewarding. So a big part of gardening is getting into the garden and just observing how the plants are doing, observing where the light is. The best places to put your garden are where you're getting full sun or partial sun. You probably get maybe 6 to 8 hours in the spot we have this garden, which is our circular garden. And I like to mulch around the plants. Right now, I'm using some cypress mulch. Really, you can use free stuff like grass clippings are great. It's a really gentle mulch you can use. You can use wheat straw. I used it in the past and wasn't a fan of it because it has a lot of seeds in it, so it sprouted a lot of wheat straw, and then I had to kind of pick that out. But it's a very popular mulch to use. Trying to stay away from anything synthetic, any mulches that are dyed, you don't want to use in the garden. Cedar mulch is great. You can use pine straw. It can make the soil a bit more acidic, but you can also use it. It's great around flower beds. And you can also use ground covers, which is some type of seed that you plant or some type of plant that will keep the soil covered. The purpose of using mulch or some form of ground cover is so that your top layer of topsoil doesn't blow away. You want your soil to stay nice and protected, and you also want mulch also helps your soil to retain water more, so that you don't have to water as much, which is great in the Georgia heat. If you do anything like a chip drop, you would want to wait before you used any of that as a mulch. You would want to wait about a year. Things like chip drop, or if you're getting a tree chipped up and made into a mulch, that's great to use around trees and shrubs, but I wouldn't use it around flowers or vegetables because it's hot. It hasn't yet decomposed. This mulch that I have has already sat around, has decomposed, and it's just gonna work kind of as an insulator to the soil, help my top layer not blow away, and it helps prevent weeds, which is a big plus. But weeding is just part of gardening. You just come out, pick some weeds. If you stay on top of them, it's not so hard. And just enjoying the time. Beautiful mulch in action.